Hello everyone and welcome back to Zacklet Educational Channel. I hope your exams went well and you are a bit relaxed now. But at the same time, you all will be anxious to know about the overall view of all the appeared candidates for the environmental science paper. Yes, so without further delay, let's start the very first review of UGC NET environmental science paper. So these are the initial reviews coming from the students, those who have appeared for this UGC NET December 2024 environmental science paper on 21st of January 2025. So let us read. First, one of the candidates is telling paper 1 was of moderate level of difficulty. So it was not that difficult, not that easy, moderate level. Next is जो डीप में पढ़ा उसके चक्कर में बेसिक रह गया. सो दोज हु वेंट फॉर डीप स्टडी ऑफ द टॉपिक्स दे मिस्ड द बेसिक थिंग्स विच केम इन द एग्जामिनेशन. Next thing, one candidate is telling, I think paper 1, so paper 2 was tough. Yes, as per this candidate, paper 2 was tough. Next is RC, reading comprehension was bit easy to moderate, not of that difficult level. So many people would have been able to solve the reading comprehension thing easily. Next is very few from environmental biology section came in paper 2. Next is somebody asked any previous year's question come this session. So many of the previous year's question came, maybe directly or indirectly they came as per the candidates review. And some of the candidates are asking that what will be the expected cutoff for the December 2024 examination, anyone. So this cutoff depends on three things mostly. First is the difficulty level of the paper, number of candidates appeared, and how the candidates have performed. So these three things will matter to know the expected cutoff. We'll be having the expected cutoff after analyzing from all the students after having the maximum reviews. Next is same as September. They're telling maybe the cutoff will be same as September. And some people are telling, I think cutoff high jayegi. So cutoff may be high. And what will be the expected cutoff? Somebody is telling 200 plus. So that means 66 or 66% more if you are qualifying. More than that, having the marks, then you are in the safe zone as per the first review coming from these candidates. So these are the students, those who have helped to make this video. Thank you each one of you. So mega review will be coming soon after getting the reviews from most of the candidates. So now your job is done. No need to worry. Come safely to your destination and pray for your good results. So when your questions answer key will be out, when your response sheet will be out, we will be notifying you in this video through our Telegram page, so you can join there. So now no need to worry, you have done your part. Let's pray and wait for the results. So see you guys in our next video. Till then, keep preparing and believe in yourself.